Hi there, friends. Welcome to the Science Zone. This week in the Science Zone, we're going to kick it up a notch for our exploration with rocks. So, first thing that you want to do is check out some of the new equipment. This week, we're going to be looking at using our digital microscope. Our digital microscope has a power button right here in the far corner. This is how we turn it on and off. So I'm going to turn it back on. You'll know that it's successfully on because the light comes on at the bottom. Then our goal this week is to explore and look at our rocks closely. So you're going to want to capture all the things that you notice in your new science sketchbook. So how do you do that? We're going to use this week, we're going to use the Sketches app, the Tasui Sketches app. We're going to create a new sketchbook this week, and you can tap where it says Sketches, and you can rename it. And I'd say maybe even call this the Science Zone if you want, okay? So I'm going to rename mine for Science Zone. Once it says Science Zone, I'm going to tap to go inside, and now I can tap a plus sign to go in and create a new page. So the object this week is to take let's say you're going to take a rock sample. So I have my rock sample here. I'm going to draw it first how I see it. So I'm going to use my eyes, I'm going to draw what I see. I'm going to pay really special attention to all the textures and the colors and things that I see. Okay, so if I had more time, I would definitely add more color and texture to that. Now I'm going to take that same rock that I was just looking at. I might even mark that this was number 35 from it. So I'm going to write 35 so I don't forget that this one is rock number 35. And then we're going to place it under the microscope. So the digital microscope, it might be a little bit blurry. So here's what you're going to do. This center dial, it allows you to change the focus. And now I see a little bit of this ridge right here, and you can see, oh, there's my finger. So I can see a little bit of the ridge, and then you can adjust the focus. And now I can see, whoa, I can see some quartz in there. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, using the tool that you were just using, I'm going to do a little cutaway. So I can do like a little zoomed in, little drawing. And now I'm going to draw, what do I see up close? So when you're looking up close, you definitely can see some of the crystallization here. So I might start drawing now more in little tiny squares that I couldn't see before, because I see some little tiny crystals there. I can also see some different shades of colors that maybe I couldn't see before. So I want to make sure that, wow, I'm coloring those things in. I'm also noticing that on this one, there's like a little bit of a swirl kind of a thing going. So maybe I need to make sure that I draw how I see some swirls that I couldn't see before. So this week here at the Science Zone, you're using your Sketches app to document what it is that you notice. And when you're noticing something, I want for you to, number one, draw what you notice with just your beautiful eye, okay? So that's step one right here. Draw what you see with your eye. Then step two is make sure that you turn on the digital microscope, put it under here, and then use the focus knob right here to focus it, and then draw a little pop out right here of your beautiful zoomed in microscopic view of that rock sample. It also is helpful to make sure that you include what number is your rock sample for this week. And don't forget, when you are there in Tasui Sketches, if you tap your 4 blocks there at the top, you can always add another page, get another rock out, start observing another rock. And when you're done, when you tap those little 4 boxes, you can close your Science Zone sketchbook there. All right, I hope you have a lot of fun learning about rocks and exploring and looking at them closely under our this week's digital microscope tool. Don't forget that this is a very fragile tool, so don't play around with a lot of the knobs. Be gentle and be careful. It does have a battery signal up here, so if it turns out that it runs out of battery, come see me or come visit your IDS or your IDA here, and we will find the adult and we'll help you plug it back in so it can get charged up and it'll be ready for the next group. Thanks so much for listening. I hope you have fun at the Science Zone this week. Bye.